All right, guys, JJ Sports Breaks 805 on October 9th, 2016. We're doing a full 12-box case of 2016 Tier 1 baseball. Teams are over on the right-hand side. I'll call them out as the hits appear. If there are any multi-team cards, if you own 50% or more, automatically goes to you. If not, we will do a random at the end of the break. Any multi-team, multiplayer, as long as, obviously, yeah, multi-team. This is a skunkless break. If anybody goes hitless, they will get a free hobby pack of Bowman Chrome. So if I do not have your address, please go ahead and send it to me in a message. But let's go ahead and begin this thing. I'm going to go ahead and dump all the boxes. Seal case all the way around. Empty case up in the top left corner. There's all 12. Make sure we got sleeves. Good to go. Good luck, everybody. Should be 2 autographs and 1 relic per box. 2 autographs and 1 relic per box. First up for the Boston Red Sox. Boston Red Sox 232 out of 299, Henry Owens. Let's get a few of these. So we can, there we go. Henry Owens for the Red Sox. For the Baltimore Orioles /99, Manny Machado. Baltimore Orioles /99, Manny Machado. 2-color. Auto relic. And for the New York Mets, Steven Matz /299. New York Mets, Steven Matz. Might be having comment issues again. I'm not sure what the deal is with that. They're not showing up live. So if I don't respond immediately, I'll try to refresh after every box to make sure I don't miss anything. Am I lagging? Oh, come on, really? I still have you. Come on. Really? This is a joke. Alright, the recording is going to continue, so you'll see this in just a moment. I apologize. God, this drives me insane. I don't know why this does this just randomly. Sorry guys, I don't know what happened. That's about annoying. Hopefully we'll have some better luck with this new one. Oh, this is ridiculous. We might be going to breakers, guys. I might have to go to breakers. Facebook is failing me tonight. No, there we go. I think we're good. Maybe. It's so annoying. Sometimes this platform works great, and sometimes it just doesn't want to. Now, to give it a minute, let everybody find the new one. I did not stop the recording. The recording stayed going the entire time. The only thing I changed was the actual live stream. The cards that are laying on the desk there, that is the start of box 2. I've not shown any of them yet. You can probably see one or two of them though. Perfect. Perfect. I don't know why I'm still not getting live updates on the comments, but Alright, up to now, the first box had the Steven Matz to $2.99. The Manny Machado Auto Relic to $99. And the Henry Owens to $2.99. That was box 1. Box 2 brings a John Smoltz 2 out of 10 for the Braves. 2 out of 10 on the Smoltz. To $2.99 for the Cardinals, Colton Wong. And to $2.99 also for the Cardinals, Mark McGwire. Mark McGwire. That was box 2. Alright, here's one that's got 4 hits for us. First one. For the Giants, Orlando Cepeda to $149. Orlando Cepeda to $149. And here we go with the Cardinals yet again. To $2.99, Stephen Piscotty. Stephen Piscotty. For the Mariners to $3.69. About a Robinson Cano. 116 out of 369. Baltimore Orioles to 50, dual relic, Manny Machado. 4 out of 50. Number 4. All right, another one for the Seattle Mariners to $149, Edgar Martinez. Edgar Martinez. To $2.99 for the Red Sox, Brock Holt. And for the Blue Jays to $3.99, Jose Bautista. Joey Bats. Kind of a slow start so far. To $2.49, Vince Coleman, another Cardinals hit. $2.49, Vince Coleman. For the Rockies to $2.49, Tom Murphy. And Red Sox to $2.99, Hanley Ramirez. Yeah, I know, and that's not good for me. That just means more Bowman packs have to be sent out. 28 of 50 for the Red Sox, Hanley Ramirez. Red Sox and Cardinals are getting them all. Yankees, 249, Luis Severino. Luis Severino, 249. For the Cubbies, to 399, Pinstripe, Javi Baez. And for the D-backs, to 25, A.J. Pollock, triple relic. 3 out of 25. Come on. There's got to be something good in here. Machado auto relic was nice. And the Smoltz was not bad. Outside of that, it's kind of struggled. Alright. Brandon Moss to 249. Another Cardinal. For the Mets, breakout autograph, Michael Conforto. Breakout autograph of Michael Conforto. Metropolitans. And another Red Sox to 199, Pablo Sandoval. Red Sox and Cardinals continue. Alright. Another Red Sox. Look at that. 16 out of 25, Pablo Sandoval. Pablo Sandoval. And a very nice patch. Auto relic to 25, Ryan Braun. 19 out of 25, Ryan Braun. Very nice. There's a different team finally. And for the Cleveland Indians, Lindor to 50. Francisco Lindor, dual relic to 50. Oh, very nice. For the Astros to 75, Craig Biggio, Tier 1 autograph. 18 of 75, Craig Biggio. To 299, Miguel Almonte for the Royals. Miguel Almonte. Royals go to Dwayne. And for the Tigers, 299, Victor Martinez. Napkin. And for the Cubs, Mark Prior to 249. Mark Prior to 249 for the Cubbies. For the Braves to 299, Matt Whistler. Matt Whistler to 299. And for the Rockies to 399, Nolan Arenado. Only 2 left. Uh-oh. That one has a little thickness to it. Yeah. Oh, that's nice right there, too. Oh, my. Very nice. Jock Peterson to 25 for the Dodgers. Jock Peterson to 25 for the LA Dodgers. For the Brewers to 299, Jonathan Lucroy. And to 75 for the Boston Red Sox, Ted Williams. Ted Williams. I'll save this one for last. We'll go with the next box. Hopefully there's something in here that can top it, but if not, it'll be a good one to end on. For the San Diego Padres to 99, Will Myers. Padres, Will Myers. Minnesota Twins to 199, Miguel Sano. To 199. St. Louis Cardinals to 299, Carlos Martinez. That's ridiculous. Cardinals, Cardinals, Cardinals. All right, last but not least, Tier 1 to 99. Single relic autograph. Big Papi. David Ortiz for the Boston Red Sox. 37 of 99. Cardinals and Red Sox killed it. All right, so what does that leave us with? A whole lot of those guys, doesn't it? All right, so I know we had Red Sox. Let's do this. Let's do it this way. I know we had Diamondbacks. Braves had the Smoltz. Orioles had the Machados. Cubs had a few little ones. I don't think the White Sox or Reds had any. Indians had a Lindor. Rockies had one. I'll just go through it this way. We know the Cardinals had a few. Twins. Padres. Red Sox. Brewers. Dodgers. Rockies. Braves, Cubs, Tigers had the Victor, Royals with the Almonte, Astros had the Biggio, Lindor, LeBron, Sandoval, Mets had a Conforto, Cardinals, Steve X, Cubs, Yanks had the Severino, Red Sox had the Hanley, a couple of Hanleys, Tom Murphy, Rockies, Cardinals, Blue Jays had the Batista, more Red Sox, Seattle, Orioles, Seattle, more Cardinals, Giants had the Cepeda, Cardinals, Smoltz, Boston, Baltimore, and the Mets. Alright, so by my account, it looks like the Nationals, Rangers, Rays, Pirates, Phillies, A's, Marlins, Angels, Reds, and White Sox. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 hitless teams. Any of those that went hitless, do you want me to open your Bowman Chrome pack now, or just mail it to you? White Sox, so Blake will get 2 of them, 3 of them, 4, 5. Blake will get 5, Charlie will get 1, Dwayne will get 1, Juan will get 1, and Natalie and Ryan. Ryan, you want me to open yours? Alright, I'll let you call it the box then. Yeah, that's fine. I'll go ahead and ship everything. I think I've got some other stuff to ship you too, or some base from some other breaks, if I'm not mistaken. Alright, I've got we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. If you can just throw me a number, Rhino. Bottom middle. Hold on, wait a minute. Just throw me a number 1 to 11. You're making it difficult. What's up, Charles? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, and then after this, Jeff is going to be doing a Heritage Minor League personal box. Which mini box do you want to pull from, Rhino? Top or bottom? He wants the bottom. Okay. There they are, all 6. 1 through 6. Which one you want? One, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so the rest of those will just be shipped in order. Tier 1 autograph was Craig Biggio. We had a Manny Machado auto relic, a Ryan Braun auto relic, and a David Ortiz auto relic. There was a Conforto redemption, a couple other things. Chris Archer purple to 250 for the Rays. And there is your Bowman pack. Yeah, you got it numbered. Sorry, brother. I appreciate you helping out, though. We'll run some football for you this week. I'm gonna try to go Tuesday and pick up some more stuff. So if you have anything you want, let me know, and I'll try to make sure it's on the list. I understand, brother. All right, Jeff, are you here? A case of contenders, huh? You're thinking real big, huh? I kind of like the mixtures with the football stuff. It seems to be doing well right now. There's so many different products that have just dropped. That seems to be working well. All right, we're going to do a personal box. Let me stop this recording.